Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Happy Friday. It is Friendship Friday. This Happy Mail Open collaboration is hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. Hi Dale. I'll link Dale's channel down below. And this special mail comes from Rosie's Creative Wings. Now, when I was having my birthday challenge giveaway, sometime towards the end of or beginning of April, she had sent me an email saying that she had mailed off her entry, but it was mailed back to her. So I apologize. I did ask my post office and see why that was the case, but they couldn't give me a straight answer. So I apologize that that happened. It finally made it safely to me. So let's have a look and see what is in here. Oh my goodness. Lots of goodies. So Rosie and I were partners for a previous collaboration that she hosted, and it was a junk journal challenge using some of these business card, little creative cards that she had mailed to all the participants. Such an amazing collaboration. And more recently, she joined me and BB's Closet Creations for our Dollar Tree Junk Journal Swap Challenge for 2022. So if you missed that, make sure to watch the playlist. I see some goodies here. Let me just read this card first. I think this is the card, but how beautiful is this envelope? There's a letter C. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Rosie. This is so sweet of you. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I love that air balloon. It says for you. This is so nice. Happy birthday, Clarissa. That is so personalized. And in the back it says made with love, Rosie's Creative Wings. Let me just read this. What a gorgeous card. Just wanted to show you. Look at this beautiful sticker she put here. May your dreams take flight. And a beautiful message inside. Clarissa, I hope you have a beautiful birthday filled with your heart's desires. And may the glory of God always be upon you this day and always. Stay blessed, my friend. Love, Rosie. How sweet is that? And on top of that, there was a pocket in here that had some goodies. So let's open this up and see what she sent me. I love these wax paper, little paper bags. They're wonderful for packaging. She has shared some wonderful tags, and I love the dimension and the textures that they have. I love birds, so she's included some of these cuties. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So I have a video that showing you what she sent me last time for our swap, for our journal cover swap. And next Tea Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you the completed version of that journal that Rosie had sent me. This is so cute. Look at this. And I'll be showing off the cover that she made for me there. But if you would like to see the cover first, I'll put the link at the end or somewhere up here. How adorable is that dream catcher? I love the feathers. Very spring, it can also be very boho, but she has sent so many goodies here. Let me open this up. Love the packaging. This is a really nice plastic. The texture is a little different, but look at this. Where did you get these? These are so fun. Oh, I love, are they stickers? Love the Eskimo girl. Aww, that's so cute. Love it. Thank you so much, Rosie. I love bowling. Oh my gosh. This is so me. I love bowling. And traveling. That is so cool. That'll be fun to use when we, travel for the summer. Put it in my journal. And how cute is this little, it looks like Thumbelina, but it's not, but she's holding a dandelion. That would go well with a whimsical journal. Let's see if this is the one she made. Wow, gorgeous. So Rosie is a talented mixed media artist. I just recently watched her flip through of the beautiful journal she sent, BB's Closet Creations, and just amazing artistry. I mean, the pages that she decorated were beautiful, and this is an example of her amazing work. Look at all the layers, the colors, the paint that she put down there. The butterflies, I love the dimension. And look at this leaf. Is it, oh, it's a sticker, vellum sticker. Let me just see, there's some information on the back. Let me read that to you. Her YouTube channel is Rosie's Creative Wings. Birthday is June 9th. Favorite colors, blues, aquas, and some greens. And she says, my first passion is mixed media art. Second is collage, and I also enjoy many other crafts. That is so cool. I love getting these entries from you guys because I am even more getting to know you better in terms of your style of crafting, your personal preferences. So this is awesome. Oh, I'm just enjoying seeing all the little details that she put here. I love it. That is just really beautiful. And in addition, she's also included some wonderful, looks like napkins. Oh my gosh, I love decoupaging projects, so this will be fun. Look at this. I love that kind of 50s feel dress, summer dress. We have some florals with some butterflies. How adorable is this? Oh, that's so cute. I love the spring feel. Oh, this one reminds me of a Van Gogh painting. How awesome are those sunflowers? That is really gorgeous. Then we have a burlap lace looking one. That is so pretty. Wow, look at that. Just want to see if the design is different. It's the same. We have this other one here. Wow, thank you for sharing these. Whoa, that is gorgeous. I love butterflies, and then I have a couple crafty friends, and many of you actually love butterflies, but seeing butterflies always reminds me of my dear crafty friends Terry and Bibi from Bibi's Closet Creations. Oh wow, look at these butterflies. That is gorgeous. And then we have more of these gorgeous flowers. This is inspiring me. I may make a butterfly journal. Just looking at this just gives me inspiration. Wow. And here's another beauty here. This looks familiar. I don't know if this is a DT napkin. I have a similar paper bag, but that is beautiful. Here is another look at this amazing happy mail from Rosie's Creative Wings. Make sure to show her some crafty love and check out her channel link down below and tell her I sent you. Again, Rosie, thank you so much for this beautiful birthday card, all the fun goodies, and this amazing altered card. I just love it, love it. I may use it as a art for the cover of a mini journal. I think it will look amazing. So again, guys, have a wonderful weekend. Stay tuned for more project shares coming up really soon, and stay tuned for Tea Tuesday next week so I can do a little reveal of how I'll be using the journal cover that Rosie had given me.